Okay, it's just a quick video about some bags that I bought on Amazon. I think they're from, I believe they're from Pakistan or India. Anyway, they're two saddlebags. They're about 10 inches by. Anyway, there's one of them when it's sort of filled out. They're on the small side, but like I said, the price. Well, maybe I didn't say it. The price was right. I think they were $55, $58 something for two of them, and they're nice bags. They're made out of goat skin. They're the leather strap here goes right through, like it's not in the Chinese way. It would be a piece of leather sewn to here, and then nothing here, and then another little tiny piece here. But it's actually made of good material. It's not two pieces of wafer thin leather with some cardboard in between like the belts. It's actually real leather, goat skin, but goat leather, whatever. And lined inside with this kind of a, I don't know, twill fabric, whatever. There's a zippered pocket in here. You can't see it, but anyway, there's a zippered pocket, and there's a little pouch in this side, and there's, this. Anyway, so what I wanted to show you though is this is what I did. It's because it's wintertime in northern Canada. Of course, have to have windshield washer fluid. Minus 45 degrees might be good enough. Oh, I should take that off too. Oh, okay, there you go. So we'll get rid of that. Oh, yeah. Don't hurry, or anyway, whatever. We'll just get rid of that for now. Okay, so windshield washing container. It's the right shape. There's a lot of others with the handles out of here, but they wouldn't be nice to be in here. But anyway, I was trying to fit it this way. I couldn't find anything that fit this way, so then I thought, oh, put it this way. Cut the side out, and this one happens to be just about right. I left the lid on because it keeps a bit of rigidity. But as you can see, it does a nice job actually. Well, do it this way maybe so to get some light in it. Anyway, I don't know if you can see that well enough or not, but so now it's waterproof. You could put your coffee in. I usually do use them as day bags. I haven't put them on my bike yet. I have a Honda 300, but the Honda 300, whatever it's called, naked bike, CB300, the tailpiece doesn't have much structure behind it, so you can't put traditional panniers or saddlebags. But these will go, under the seat. The seat will fit here, the jump seat, the pillion seat, as it were. And so this will just attach the frame underneath there. It's perfect. I already sort of tried it. I haven't done. I'll do another video in the springtime mounting these and how they look on the Honda. But for now, I think that looks pretty smart. So anyway, so here, I'm old-fashioned, so I like to protect the leather. I use neat's foot oil. I know there's all kinds of fancy stuff, leather butter and all kinds of expensive emollients. But I'm old-fashioned, and I like the old-fashioned solutions, and neat's foot oil is great. And as you can see, unlike the newer stuff, this I slathered it in neat's foot oil, and now it just feels like beautiful and smooth and soft. So there's the one I did, and here's the one not done yet. I left it undone so you can see. So I'll probably give that another coat in neat's foot oil, but neat's foot oil is great because it's waterproof and whatever. So, and it makes it look nice, and it has a softer feel to it. But it's such a soft feel that, can you imagine hanging this on the side of your motorcycle? You'd be really impressive like that. So this way, at least, gives the bag a little structure, And we'll simulate that it's on the motorcycle. We'll do a short simulation. Oh, so there you go. So that looks, looks pretty smart. So the little plastic liner, just all it does is it makes it waterproof. Anything that spills in there now, and should something spill, well, there you go, it comes right out. I can clean this. There's maybe you can see now the pouch. There's a zippered pocket in these bags for, I suppose, license plate, registration, whatever, all that crap. And there's another little a side pocket for whatever, you know, your marijuana. It's Canada, so it's legal, right? So not that you would carry that as you're driving, you know. Anyway, your marijuana would go here. There's the place for your marijuana. Okay, so anyway, nice little bags for $58, I think they were. It's actually a very nice little bag, well made. Goat leather, but the stitching is nice, the leather is nice. They have not used little bits and scraps of leather. They've actually done a nice job. The buckles are, whatever, simulated brass. No, probably not brass, but everything is pretty smart looking, I have to say. And my little quickie, you know, makes the bag. Now I can easily slip that in, and it makes it rigid, it makes it smart looking, and it makes it waterproof inside. So there you go. So that's my video. I'll make another one in the springtime mounting these on the motorcycle, and you can see what they're doing. But I'm sure you can find a container like that yourself. Anyway, there it is. That's the video. Okay, bye-bye.